Focus is not a skill, it's a decision. A decision to cut what is useless and protect what matters. People keep saying, I am distracted. But the truth is, તમે distracted નથી, તમે તમારું future ભૂલી રહ્યા છો. Every time you scroll, you are not passing time. You are losing opportunities. અને પછી લાઈફ પાછળ પડી ગઈ એનું બ્લેમ છે ને તમે નસીબને આપી દો છો. Focus means saying no 100 times so you can say yes to one thing that changes your life. Weak people chase everything, but strong people choose one direction and go all in. And remember, your dreams don't need motivation, they need attention. તમે આપતા નથી એટલું સિમ્પલ છે. You don't get what you want, you get what you focus on. ધ્યાન નહીં તો જીવન નહીં.